Hello everyone, good morning students. Dear students, in previous class we take and discussed some very important chapter of your syllabus, which is surface areas and volumes. And in that class we take and solve some important chapter, some important questions related to that topic. Okay, now dear friends, in today class we also take and solve some important questions based on that chapter. Okay, now let's see, let's take some important question based on these topics. Okay, dear students, let's see, your question is how many shots. Let's see, we take a very important question, which is what, how many shots each having diameter, how many shots each having diameter each having diameter, okay, each having diameter 3 centimeter can be made, 3 centimeter can be made from a okay, how many shot each having diameter 3 centimeter can be made, can be made from a cuboidal lead, from a cuboidal lead. Okay, distance cuboidal lead, solid of dimension, lead solid of dimension of dimensions 9 centimeter into 11 centimeter into 12 centimeter. Okay, dear friends, this is the question here. This is the very important question based on your topic, your syllabus. Okay, let's see. Dear friend, in that question, what is the question here? The question is how many shots? How many shots each having diameter 3 centimeter can be made, each having diameter 3 centimeter can be made from a cuboidal lead solid, dimensions of 3 centimeter, 9 centimeter and 11 12 centimeter. Dear student, this is the question based on the conversion of the solid. And dear student, in for solving that type of question, for solving that type of questions, and this is the topic based on the conversion of the solid. So in that condition, the volume of the that shots, okay, is equal to volume of the cuboidal lead of solid. Okay, so in that condition, dear students, let's say volume of lead x spherical shops. Okay, so now first of all we take as, let's say solution lead, and we then let the required shots be n. Okay, then according to question, then according to what, then according to question, volume of shots n into volume of n into volume of each shot, volume of each shots of radius 3 by 2 centimeter is equal to, because of here the diameter of the lead shot is given as 3 centimeter, then their radius is what, 3 by 2. Okay, so volume of n into volume of each shot of radius, this is equal to the volume of the what? Volume of the cuboidal lids. Volume of the solid, which is now the is equal to the volume of solid, means lead, cuboidal lid. Okay, now let's see. Now you know that, dear friends, the volume of each shorts of it. You will know that the volume of the sphere is what? 4 by 3 pi r cube. So dear friends, here we write as n into 4 by 3 pi r cube. Means what? R is what? This is 3 by 2 whole cube is equal to volume of that solid lead, okay, vertical lead, short, with solid, which is equal to 9 into 11 into 12. Okay, dear friend, now what I do, now we simplify them, and dear friend, you know that the now here from there the value of n is what? We multiply 3 that side to 3 into 9 into 11 into 12 divided by what? 4 into pi. The value of pi is 22 upon 7 into 3 mentioned. How many times are there? 3 times now. So here 3 into 3 into 3 and 2 mentioned 3 times, so 2 here 2 into 2 into 2. Okay, now we expanded them and right transferring. Okay, so we get this result. Now we simplify them. Let's see, dear friends. Let's see. Here this is 2 2s are 4, 2 2 cancel to each other. Okay. Now here 3 3 also cancel to each other. This one 3 3s are 9, 3 3 also cancel to each other. Now we get as what? We get, this one what I get? Let's see. This is 11, this is 12 into this is 2 here upon and also 7 transferred in numerator, okay, and upon 22. This is 22, okay. Now we just simplify them. Let's see. 11 2s are 22. Okay, now 2 2 cancel to each other. 2 2 what? Cancel to each other. Okay, and 12 into 7, that is n is equal to what? 12 into 7. This is 84. So hence we get the number of shorts, each of having diameter 3 centimeter, is what? 84. This is the required solution of the given question. This is what? Required solution of the given question. Okay, dear friends. So in this way, you can solve each and every question of your syllabus based on that topic. Okay, so please, dear students, do more and more practices of that type of questions. After that, you can solve each and every question of your NCERT exercise based on these topics. Okay, so please concentrate on this topic. So please do more and more practices of that type of questions. Now, dear student, we take and solve some other important question based on that topic. Okay, dear students, now let's see. Now this one we take some important question based on the combined question based on the combined solid. Okay, this one let's see. This is a very important question of your syllabus. Now let's see this one. We take a very important question based on the surface area and volumes. Let's see. Here a solid wooden toy. The question is a solid wooden toy also is in the shape of the okay is in the shape of the is in the shape of the shape of a right circular cone, shape of the right right circular cone, right circular cone mounted on a hemisphere, mounted on a hemisphere. Okay, dear students, if the radius of the hemisphere is if the radius of the hemisphere is 4.2 centimeter, 4.2 centimeter, and the total height of the toy and the total height of the toy, okay, and the total height of the toy is 10.2 centimeter, is 10.2 centimeter. Find the volume of the wooden toy. Find the volume of the wooden toy. Okay, this is the question here. This is one of the most important question of your syllabus. Now, so let's see its solution. What is the process to solve that type of question? Okay, let's see. Now, let's see, dear students. First of all, in that type of question, okay, dear students. First of all, in that type of question, we form what? We found the figure. Let's see. Here, a solid wooden toy is in the shape of the right circular cone mounted on a hemisphere. So we form the figure in this way. Let's see. Here, in this way. Your toy is in the shape of a cone mounted on a hemisphere in this way. This is the shape of the toy, wooden toy. Here, let's see, A, B, C is a cone, and let O be the base of the cone. Then, according to question, this is the height of the cone. Okay. Now let's see C, D. Okay. Now this is OD is the height of the. With the according to question, according to figure, from figure it is clear that, let's see, from figure it is clear that it is clear that what is the clear that? It is clear that the radius of cone is same as the radius of hemisphere. Radius of hemisphere. It is clear, everyone? Okay. Now let's see. Here, a solid wooden toy is the shape of the right circular cone mounted on a hemisphere of the radius of the hemisphere is 4.2. So radius of the hemisphere as well as the radius of the cone will be same. Okay, from figure, that is here R is equal to what? 4.2 centimeter. This is the area of cone as well as hemisphere. Okay. Now let's see. That is OC. OC is equal to R is equal to 4.2 centimeter. And the total height of the toy is 10.2 centimeter. Means this is the total height of the. This is 10.2 centimeter. Okay. So now here from question, this is 4.2. So this is what? This is the height of the spherical hemisphere portion is also 4.2 centimeter. Okay, and because of this is 4.2 centimeter. Okay. So now first of all we find the height of the conical portion. So according to figure, let's see, from figure height of the what? height of the conical portion, height of the conical part. Height of the conical part is what? 10.2 minus 4.2, that is what? 6 centimeter. So in this way we find the height of the conical portion is what? 6 centimeter. Okay students. So now we find the height of the conical portion is 6 centimeter. Now what is the the volume of thus the volume of the wooden toy is what? Volume of the cone. Okay, volume of the cone, volume of the cone plus volume of the hemispherical portion. Okay, now let's see. Thus volume of the toy, wooden toy, volume of the wooden toy is equal to the volume of the cone, volume of cone plus volume of hemisphere. Volume of cone plus volume of hemisphere, that is, let's see, so volume of wooden toy is equal to volume of the wooden toy is equal to volume of the cone. Volume of the cone means what? 1 by 3 pi r square. This is a formula for volume of the cone, and plus volume of the hemisphere, it is 2 by 3 pi r cube. 2 by 3 what? Pi r cube. Okay. Now what is the common from there? Let's see. Here therefore we take 1 by 3 pi r square is common. 1 by 3 pi r square is common. Then we get h plus 2 into r. H plus 2 into r. Okay. This is the left values. Now we put each and every value in this formula and simplify them. So we get our result. Let's see. Dear friends. Thus we put the values of R and H, that is volume of toy, that is what volume of toy, na? That is, yes, volume of toy is equal to what? This is 1 by 3, right, as it is. The value of pi, you know that very well. You know that very well, na? Okay. Thus, we put the value of R and H in the given formula. Okay, this one, let's see. So here by 3 pi, okay, the value of pi is what? 2 upon 7 into r square. The value of r is what? 4.2. Okay, so here we have 4.2 watt square into in bracket h plus r. The h is the height of the cone, and according to figure the height of the cone is what? 6. So here we will put 6 plus, that is what? Plus 2r. 6 plus 2 into r. The value of r. The value of r, this is radius of the cone, that is what? 4.2. This is 4.2. Okay, dear students. Now, what I do? We just simplify them and we get our result. Let's see. So here we write 1 by 3 into 22 by 7 into 4.2 into 4.2 into, this is 6 plus 2 to the 4 to the 8. 8.4. Okay, now let's see. 7 and 6 are 0.6 and 3 2 are 0.2. So we get 22 into 0.2 into 4.2 into, we adding them, into 14.4. 14.4 na. Now what I do, now we simplify them. Okay, now we multiply them, then we get what? Let's see. 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4. This is 2.2. This is 4.2 into 14.4. Now we multiply 4.4 into 4.2. 4 is 8, 2 4 is 8. 8 18.48 into 14.4. After multiplication, we get what? 266.11 something centimeter cube. This is the required solution of the given question. Okay, thus, dear students, in this way you can solve each and every question of your syllabus based on the topic surface area and volumes in this way. So please, dear students, do more and more practices of that type of question. After that you can solve each and every question of your NCERT exercise in very easy way. Okay, dear students, now we take and solve some other important question based on same topic. Now we take some previous year board examination question. Okay, let's see. Let's see, dear friends. Okay, now we take a very important question based on that topic, which a circus tent is. Let's see the question. Circus tent is. Okay, dear friends, a circus tent is cylindrical up to a height of 3 meter and up to a height of 3 meter and up to a height of 3 meter. Okay, and conical above it, and conical above it. Okay, if the diameter of the base is if the diameter of the base is, okay, if the diameter of the base is 105 meter and the slant height of the conical part and the slant height of the conical part and the slant height of the conical part is 53 meter. Okay, find the total canvas used in find the total canvas used in making the tent. Let's see its solution. This is very important question, dear friends. Okay, let's see. Dear student, in that type of question, first of all, you draw the figure according to question. After that, you can solve that type of question is very easy way. Okay, dear students. Let's see, dear students. Here, a circus tent is up to a height of the and conical above it. Cylindrical up to a height. Okay. So the shape of the tent circumstance in this way. Let's see. Here, let's see. This is A, B, C, okay, D, E. This is the shape of the circumstance. Okay, and according to question, the circumstance is cylindrical at a height of 3 meter and conical above it. And if the diameter of the base is 105 meter, so radius of the base. What is the radius of the base? This is 105 now. Yes, this is 105 to what? 105 upon 2. That is 2.5. Okay, meter. And the slant height of the conical part is what? 53. That part, this is L is given as 53 meter. Okay, slant height. This is L is equal to what? 53 meter. Find the total canvas. Okay. So in that type of here, the radius of the conical portion is same as the radius of the cylindrical portion because of both the figures containing the same base. Okay, dear students. Thus, now total canvas used in making the tent. Total canvas used in making the tent is what? CSA of cylindrical portion, okay, plus CSA of conical portion. Okay, now you know the CSA of conical portion is 2 pi RH plus conical portion radius is same. Conical portion is what? Pi RN. Now we take pi R as common, so we get what? 2h plus n. 2 pi R we taken as common, so we get what? 2h plus n. Now what I do? Now we put each and every value in that formula, so we get pi. The value of pi taken as what? 22 upon 7. Okay. Now let's see, we take as 22 upon 7, and the radius of the base is what? This is 52.5. okay, or we write simply what? 105 upon 2. Okay, dear students. Now into this is 2 into h. Here height is what? Height h is the height of the cylindrical portion, and the height of the cylindrical portion is what? 3 meter, na? Yes. So here we put what? 3. The slant height of the conical portion is what? 53. So here we write as 53. Now we simplify that. Let's see. 7 3s are 7 on the 7. 7 carry 3. 35. 7 5s are 35. Okay. Now this is 11. So that is 11 into 50 into 3 2s are 6 plus 53. Okay, so we लगा 165 into here what is get? This is 59. Okay, now we just multiply them. Let's see, 165 and 59. This is 8. Multiply them. Let's see. 4 this is 5 8 9735, right? This is 9735 centimeter square. This is the required solution of the given question. Okay, dear students. So dear students, in this way you can solve each and every question of your NCERT exercise based on that topic in this way. So please dear students, do more and more practices of that type of question. Let's see once more time, dear students. Let's see, dear students, in that questions we have a circumstance cylindrical up to a height of 3 meter and conical above it according to our question. So first of all, according to question, we draw the shape of the circumference cylindrical in base and conical in top. After that, dear student, according to concept, the total canvas used in making that tail is equal to CSA of cylindrical portion plus CSA of conical portion. Now we write the formula for each section and we simplify them, and after we solve, we take pi r comes, so we 2h lr, because and in that figure the radius of the base of the cone and the radius of the base radius of cylindrical portion and the radius of conical portion will be same, because of both the figure form on the same base, on the what, same base. So there is in this way. So after solving them, we get our result. Thus, dear students, in that class, we take and revise some important question. We take some previous year board exam question based on surface area and volume. So please do more and more practices of that type of question. After that, in next class, we take and solve some other important previous year board examination questions based on surface area and volumes. Okay, dear students. Now, thanks to all.